Good morning, students. I am JS. Today we are going to learn different forms of equation of a plane. First, we see the definition of normal. A straight line which is perpendicular to a plane is called a normal to the plane. This is plane. This box is called plane. When you draw the straight line which is perpendicular to the plane, that line is called normal to the plane. Can you understand, children? Let me see some formulas we used in the exercise. Equation of a plane when a normal to the plane and the distance of the plane from the origin are given. There are two givens in this situation. First one normal to the plane, second one distance. In vector algebra there are two forms, vector form, second one Cartesian form. Let me see one by one. Vector form, r vector dot d vector equal to p. So where d vector is unit normal vector. You know that usually normal vector is n vector. Usually normal vector is n vector. D vector is unit normal vector. Unit normal vector means n cap. So how can you calculate n cap? N vector divided by modulus of n vector. N vector divided by modulus of n vector. So there are two forms, r vector dot d vector equal to p or r vector dot n cap equal to p. Both are same meaning. Can you understand, children? P is a distance from the origin. So two values are given in the problem. First one is normal vector, second one distance. Distance P value, D is n cap. N cap formula, n vector divided by modulus of n vector. This is vector form. Second one, Cartesian form. Let me take d vector equal to L into I vector plus M into J vector plus N into K vector. R vector, you know that usually we take in vector algebra xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. So R vector dot d vector equal to P. So that just to substitute R and D value here, we get Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. This is Cartesian form. Second formula, equation of a plane perpendicular to a vector and passing through a given point. In this sentence, there are two values are given. First one, again normal vector. Normal vector. Second one, point. Second one, point. There are two values are given. Can you understand, children? First one, perpendicular to a vector. Perpendicular to a vector is normal vector. And passing through a point, second one, point. So vector form, r vector minus a vector dot n vector equal to 0. Or just to multiply the dot n in bracket values. There are two values inside of the brackets. Just to multiply the dot n. So r vector dot n vector minus a vector dot n vector equal to 0. This is our problem. So this is our plane equation. This is perpendicular line. This line is called normal line. A is a point. P is any point on the line. So here A vector is represented by point. A vector is point. N vector is normal vector. Okay, children? Next, Cartesian form. R vector, xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. A vector is a point, so that we take x1 I vector plus y1 j vector plus z1 k vector. Okay, point. N I already told you, normal vector, so that I take any values. Here I used a I vector plus b j vector plus c k vector. So all the values we substitute here, we get a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 equal to 0. So there are four formulas. Okay, r vector dot n cap equal to p, lx plus my plus nz equal to p, r vector dot n vector equal to a vector dot n vector equal to 0, a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 equal to 0. So all the values you write in your max note. Next we see one problem. After that I give you one homework problem. You are all do in your home. Okay children? Thank you.